Living my life like it's golden. Living my life like it's golden. My life like it's Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing something I love to do, and that is unbox my BoxyCharm. So, only thing I did was rip the bottom because y'all don't need to hear me trying to struggle with that. You know, the struggle be real. So, let's do it. Let's dive in. A moment of silence. Alright, so we opened it up, y'all, okay? So they come with the regular packaging. Ooh, okay. What's this? Throw that away. Ooh, we need that. This is the instructions. Look at that. Okay, come through BoxyCharm. So, from first looks, we have this lift-proof, dry volume blast, instant lasting volume and texture. So it's just a finishing spray. I might try this out. I tried Living Proof for influencer little thingamajig campaign. Not one of my favorite brands, but that's just me. So we're gonna keep going. Move on. Now this is the Boxy Luxe. So if you get it with the additional $28.99 a month, you do get a lot of products in here compared to the regular BoxyCharm, and that happens like 4 times a year. So I have it. I think it's worth it. Ooh. Ooh. We got Dr. Brandt, and y'all know I live for him. This is Clean Biotic pH Balance Yogurt Cleanser. Okay. Come through, cleansers. You know I love my good skin. Look at that. Damn. Focus yet? Come on now. Work with me. Work with me. There we go. Whatever. This is the one, okay? This is the one. Yes, we happy with that. Now let's try what else we got. Oh, okay, what's this? Tragique. Flip down. I have no clue what this is. I really don't. Okay, let's see what it says. Oh, it sounds for your lashes. It's like the ultimate lash curling, lengthening, and volumizing with ultimate mascara. Okay, that's great. Thanks, sis. Let's go on to somebody. I mean, hey. Okay, so now we have the pharmacy, and this is a night serum. Ooh, moon glow, or a honeymoon glow. Okay, come through. So this is a night serum. I'm definitely gonna use this. I love, love, love pharmacy products. I have their honey potion already. Let me tell you, okay? Let me tell you. You put that honey potion on after you wash your face one night. Put that serum on, that honey potion mask. Wash it off. Put on some Genifique by Lancome. Baby, you don't even want to wash your face in the morning. It is everything, okay? You just have beautiful, succulent skin. I got the highlighting palette, so it looks like this. Comes in this one. It's a high performance BU naturally. I probably use this like for photo shoots or like makeup on that one because these colors, yo, like, where that gonna go on? Nah, I said the cat, but it's kind of cute. So I really didn't care which one I got. To be honest, it wasn't that particular to me. Ooh. Now we have No Problem Prime Essence. Okay, so this looks like a liquid primer. Yeah, okay, come through. It's flower extracts. Okay, I like that. Okay, so might as well get that. What's this? Oh, we got Miss Dominique up in the house. Dominique Cosmetics. This is in strawberry lemonade. Let's see what it is. Oh, that's cute. It looks like a lip gloss. I'll probably give this to my niece. She's obsessed with lip gloss. What's up with these 12-year-olds and lip gloss? Like, she is like going through them like water too. What you lip glossing? You ain't got no lips. No. This is the Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refreshing Mist. Radiant Dew. Okay. Come through. I probably suck at this part, but whatever. Look at that. Can't even see it. I don't even know if this hand works. But we're gonna try this out right now. Oh, okay. Let's try this again. Oh, there we go. Oh, you guys, it's minty. It smells so minty. Alright, and lastly we got out of the box. Oh, okay. It's just a little velvet rope bag. That's an old Janet reference. I don't know if y'all get that. That might be before your time. Alright. Oh, look. What is this? Oh, it looks like a blow dry, like a mini little blow dry. Actually, the funny thing is I'm getting my hair done tomorrow, and I need to blow it out. But it's like got a little diffuser, a little. Okay. Oh, I like to smell that. It's different. All right. Go ahead, get this. So yeah, all in all, we're happy about that. So. My unboxing for the June. It's the getaway is the theme apparently. The little June Boxy Luxe. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like it, subscribe. If you still don't like it, subscribe anyway so that you can find one that you do like, and you know, give us a thumbs up and watch out for the next one. Love you guys. Adios.